What's up, everyone? So today's verse that I want to share is John 6, verse 26. And it says, Jesus answered them and said, Most assuredly I say to you, you seek me not because you saw the signs, but because you ate the loaves and were filled. Do not labor for food which perishes, but for the food which endures to everlasting life, which the Son of Man will give you, because God the Father has set a seal on him. Now God, He doesn't want us to be slaves to our jobs, working hard. He wants us to seek His kingdom and His righteousness, and all things will be added onto us. Now, I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with having a job, but we just put God and we put God first in line with Him, then we will fulfill our purpose that He has for us and have something way more satisfying than the job that we stuck with. If you're not happy with the job that you have, God bless y'all.